everyone, welcome to my channel Tasty Treats. I am Sushmita and I wish you all a very happy DurgaPuja and happy Navratri. This year it is going to be different. So we are going to celebrate while we are staying at home because of this pandemic, and we are going to make tasty dishes while we are staying at home. So in this video I am going to show you one of the very popular dessert or snack or breakfast recipe, which is Malpua. You can eat it almost any time. This is the dry version of Malpua that I am going to show you today. This recipe, if you follow very closely, then you can also make the same fluffy Malpuas that I made here. And it is really very easy to make and it's really easy to follow. So let's start making it.
For this recipe I am going to use a very ripe banana. You can see this has gone brown and nobody wants to eat it. It has gone soft, but this will make the best malpuas. Apart from the banana, we need a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of semolina or Suji, 1 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. These are the basic ingredients, and I'll peel the banana. You can see this is perfectly fine from inside and it's perfectly eatable, but it is not that tasty looking or that firm. I'll mash this banana and gradually add the all-purpose flour into the banana. Now I'm adding Suji and mix some more. Now it's time to add water gradually and mix. I'm adding water gradually because I don't want any lumps in the batter, and I'm going to mix it really well, and that is the key for this recipe. You have to mix the batter really well so that the batter becomes fluffy itself. Now add a pinch of salt for taste. We need just a little, just to enhance the taste of the malpua. Here I am adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm not adding a lot of sugar because the bananas are already sweet and we don't want these malpuas to be very sweet. You can actually adjust how much sugar you want in your malpua. Here I am adding a pinch of fennel seeds and a pinch of saffron to add some more flavor to it. I'm going to rest it for 20 minutes. While my batter is getting rested, I am going to heat my oil to medium high. I'm adding the baking powder now and whisk it a little bit more. Here I'm adding some crushed cardamom powder to add some more flavor. These malpuas are really flavorful and you don't need anything else with it. Look at the batter. Here I am going to put a scoop of the batter in the hot oil and fry it in medium heat. From medium high heat, I have reduced it to medium. We are not frying it in very high heat. You can see this is already fluffy. We are going to fry both sides to a golden brown color. It is going to take almost 2 minutes to fry a malpua. If you have bigger pot, you can fry multiple malpuas at the same time. I have a small saucepan, so I have done only one at a time. But do not overcrowd it. So it seems almost ready. I'm going to take it out from the oil and put it on a paper towel to soak excess oil. So these are my malpuas. I'm going to let them cool before I taste it. Here are my malpuas cooled at room temperature. I'm going to pick one and break it to see how the inside is. See, this is so soft. And you can see there is air in between air pockets and it is fluffy. Yes, it's yummy.
If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Tasty Treats, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.